Hello everyone and welcome on this new deal of the day video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and kindly leave a comment and share the video. So yesterday, of course, we have all witnessed a big failure in one of the signals which I have sent to buy the gold from 2740, and I left the video without deleting it, and I even left the signal right here to show everybody that this is the reality of trading. Not every time we are going to win. Sometimes you do your best, of course, but unfortunately you will fail, and that is the reality of forex trading. A lot of people actually, they are looking for the holy grail strategy, or the holy grail analyst, I would say, to give them every single time a correct analysis, but that unfortunately doesn't exist. So this is the reality of trading. Unfortunately, the signal has failed, but of course we at Xtreme Trader, we have a metal heavy balls to send another signal on the gold just the day after, and I really hope it's gonna work well this time. And actually it makes sense, to be honest. Right now, let me just show you our next signal with the gold. So this is gonna be somehow a little bit more safer option, because we are going to scalp the gold till a certain target. So as you can see, the gold yesterday has made actually a major drop for around 500 pips, I would say, around 490 pips, but right now is making a correction. Now, remarkably, the gold is still respecting that level of a previous support at the bracket of 2710, and seems like it's actually unable to go below that level of a support. So what happened, in my opinion, is that the gold has made this drop right here to gain some liquidity, and after that reversing at the level of the support, and right now it's gonna continue the rise. So far we don't have any signs says that the gold is gonna continue the fall. The rejection from that support is actually telling us a lot. So far, from technical view, everything says that the gold most likely will continue the rise. Even if we check right now the daily chart, as you can see right here, the current price action is so far promising for the rise, because the market has made here a doji, and then these twin candles, which actually supposed to be the right candle, or actually the last candle supposed to be a red one, but so far it's blue. So that tells us that the market right now is also not respecting the current price action. But what we can see right here is interestingly is that level of a previous resistance trend line. Check this out. So a broken level of a resistance trend line based on the daily chart is now being respected as a new supported trend line, and that's interesting. It tells us that the market has indeed respected this level of a previous resistance trend line, and also creating here a new level of a support trend line indicates a beginning of the rise, and most likely now the gold will continue the rise. Now, all the signs says that the gold should continue the rise. So again, we are doing the best we can, sending these signals. Not only that, but the current price action that we have right here, these two price action right here, actually guys, this pattern is actually from my experience in forex. Once we see this pattern, it's actually a good sign that the market now is getting ready for the rise. Let me just show you some examples right here to support my theory. For example, we have it right here exactly. This is exactly the same structure. As you can see right now, we have here one top and double top pattern. Once after this happened, the market actually kept rising after retesting the broken level of a support. We have the similarity right here as well. Right after the appearance of this fake breakout, the market just kept respecting the real level of a support. So right now, what we are hoping here for is to happen the same, of course, and hopefully the gold right now is going to continue the rise after retesting a broken level of a support right here. So the price action is confirming the rise, the direction, or actually the trend lines confirming the rise, support and resistance trend lines confirming the rise. So again, let's now go to the 1 hour time frame, and hopefully we can find right here our signal, and we're actually looking to rebuy the gold again exactly right here at this level of a previous support at 2730 after the gold fall to another, oh my god, 50 pips is gonna happen very soon. Let me just confirm this using the Fibonacci retracement, and sure enough, it is actually Fibonacci 38.2. Now, another confirmation can be determined by, of course, using the support trend lines, as you can see right here. The market actually right now is actually on the support trend line. So most likely it will be respecting it, hopefully, of course, hopefully it will respect it. But now, if we buy the gold this time, we will only target the highest level of a real resistance at 2752, aiming around 225 pips of profit. But in this scenario, our safe zone have got to be also tight as well. So therefore, our safe zone will be ranging just till the bottom of the real support right here, exactly at 2718. But you know something? Now as we are speaking, actually, I just want to make sure to give you guys the best analysis. So therefore, as I can see right now here, the support trend line is actually most likely being respected right now here as a resistance trend line. Actually, that is something I didn't see before recording. So right now we are looking actually for even more pullback to happen. I would like actually to change my entry. I always like to play it safe. So therefore, I would recommend to buy the gold exactly right here till the market retest the real level of a support exactly right here at the resistance right here, which was also a broken level of a resistance. Actually, this entry makes more sense to me. I am actually feeling more convenient and more comfortable sending this signal than the one I was planning before recording. I was planning to buy the gold exactly from this level of a support at 2730, but this entry right now as we are recording, it makes more sense to me. Even right here on the 4-hour time frame, it was a real level of a support. That definitely makes more sense, to be honest. Actually, guys, I'm just thinking loud right in front of you. The difference is gonna be like 10 pips. It's okay, we can send the signal to buy exactly from here. That's gonna be fair. And the safe zone, that shouldn't be ranging lower than the previous level of a support right here. Exactly, this is better. Now I feel more comfortable. Now, of course, we have to understand that the edge of the safe zone is not a stop loss. So that is not your stop loss, my friends. You can place your stop loss anywhere outside of the safe zone, but do not make the edge of the safe zone as your stop loss, because there is a possibility that the gold will actually be ranging in this level before finally, hopefully, goes in profit. So therefore, our safe zone will be ranging for around, let's make it 100 pips, just to make sure it's we're giving the candles a space to breathe. Exactly 100 pips against 260 pips, hopefully gonna be in a good profit. And there goes our deal, my friends, on the gold. But again, another confirmation has been found, as we can see right here, based on the 1-hour time frame. We also have right here another key level of a support trend line, as we can see, exactly like this. So right now, the market most likely will respect also that level of a support trend line, and most likely will continue the rise toward our take profit level. And again, my friends, we are doing here the best we can. The gold right now is really tough. It's very hard to be analyzed. We are again doing everything we can to give you the best signals possible. And in the end, please don't forget to join our free group of Telegram to receive any updates about this signal, such as, of course, right here. I actually did my best to warn everybody that this signal might fail, but it just failed really fast. And of course, you can join this group for free. Of course, you can find it through the description below of this video, or you can just look it up right here, Xtreme Trader Signals, and make sure to join the real and authentic channel, because there are actually a lot of scammers using our successful name and reputation to fool the victims, and they are using our name and logo to fool their victims to make them think that they are extreme trader. So I really hope this is gonna work well, and remember, it might fail. This signal is subjective to fail. There is a high chance that this signal will just completely fail like the previous one I have sent yesterday. So again, make sure that you have been prepared. You as a trader, you are actually an investor. So if you're going to take this signal, make sure that you have been prepared for the stop loss, and make sure to invest a dedicated amount of money in this signal. For example, you can invest $100 only or $200. Make sure that the stop loss is going to be either one of them, and make sure that you have been prepared for the unexpected. Always expect the losses. Always expect that any signal you are receiving on YouTube from Xtreme Trader might fail. That's my disclaimer. And in the end, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.